Guess who's having SpaghettiOs tonight? Me. Who else? Remember this? I made a video about it a while back. If you don't remember, allow me to remind you, real quick. Lightsaber. You can literally slice... This room is perfect. You can literally slice everything, and it is accurate to how you slice it. I'm a menace! I'm a menace who must be stopped! Okay. Yeah, see? Before, after. The main reason I'm covering this game again is because something unexpected happened not that long ago, where they released an update that basically fixes one of the biggest problems that I faced when I played it last. I thought this game, wasn't being worked on anymore, but it turns out the guy's really working hard on it, and I'm honestly proud of how far he's come. He's doing a great job. Because this game right here, oh my god! Oh! Dude, it came right at me! You saw that shit! You saw that shit! What were they saying? Oh yeah, this game is the best lightsaber sandbox that I have found. It still is, to this day, the best lightsaber sandbox that I've played. Everybody keeps telling me, dude, you need to play Beat Saber, and I'm like, no, because I'm just slicing cubes to a beat. I'm not actually slicing up robots that are manufacturing, like, evil and stuff because they're robots and I'm supposed to be a Jedi, or I'm actually a Sith Lord in this case. Oh, I'm sorry, Dark Space Wizard. We can't use the Star Wars stuff because Disney doesn't like that. Disney doesn't like it when you use their stuff. But Mickey Mouse is going to be going into the public domain, at least one of the older versions of him, so it doesn't even matter. I don't know how true that is, but there's a variation of Mickey Mouse who's going to be going into the public domain, and I don't think there's anything that Disney can do to really save themselves this time. He's going to fall into the public domain, and that variation of Mickey Mouse is probably going to be used to make a horror movie like what they did with Winnie the Pooh. Hey. See that? You see how I handled that? I handled that with skill intact. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh. You are no match for my skill intact. Easy, easy. And I'm not even going to cut anything else in this room. See how pristine I've left it? I only killed what I needed to. I'm what you call the, respectable villain. Where, I have a goal, but I'm not gonna, ruin all of that expensive shit in there. Unless, the person deserves it. Which, who decides that? Me, of course. I'm a Sith Lord, don't you understand? I'm the bad guy. I'm the bad guy! This game is so good, okay? I'm glad that the robots have been fixed, and that I felt it would be correct of me to just go back and revisit it now with this update that basically fixed the only problem that I had with it. It's so good. It's so good. God, I've missed this game for a while. I haven't played it in a long time, but it's still good. Nice. What else is there? Huh? 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 Ah! Had to turn around. Ow! You're being little bitches. So there. Oh! You see this? This is what I wanted. That was all I wanted. Well, in the last video, was for this to be a thing that worked, and the developer has done it. But I've got to say, you know, props to the person who's making this game, okay? Because you have made my childhood become a reality. Look at this. Look at this! Look at this! Those cheap plastic lightsabers at Walmart don't give me this satisfaction at all. This is all I've ever wanted out of a lightsaber game. I've always wanted to just be able to hold one of these things in my hand and actually slice things with it. You know what I mean? Like, just go crazy. You know, because that's me. I'm crazy. Huh? Why do I feel guilty? Ladies and gentlemen, surprise attack. Uh-huh. I got mad skill. Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh, that was good. You can't tell me that wasn't good. That was good. That was good. That was good. That was good. You can't tell me that wasn't good. That was good. We're gonna try something different today. We're gonna bring one of these into the battlefield. How about that, huh? I haven't shown these off very much. Let's give this a try. See how I do. Probably not that great, but we're gonna find out. Nothing's gonna come get me? I guess we just walk on by then. Ah, of course, a worthy opponent. Ow. Aha. Ah, the challenger has been defeated, as expected. What? Oh, opponents. What happened to the other one? He just... He's sleeping. The Force, I forgot. Just put him up there. Where he can... Oh! What the fuck are you? Hold on! I've been in here a while. Where did you come from? I think there's a reason the masters forbid me from using my false powers. Now I understand. Oh shit! Did I just do that? Oh shit! I'm the master! I am the master! What the fuck? Okay, that wasn't even my fault. Yes. I am the master now. And you know what? You know what? Oh baby. Oh baby. That was a perfect run. Perfect run with this. Now we go again. I've earned my second double blade lightsaber for that perfect S tier. No, I don't want to go to the small one. Wait. This one has a difficulty spike. Yes! Let's do it! It's too quiet. Oh, I guess the coast is... Oh. Shit! Shit! My chair is right there. Oh, God! Okay. Ow. That's more like it. Okay. Okay, so we're not off to a strong start right now, are we? That's okay. You're a piece of crap. I killed myself just now. Yeah, no, how is that even possible? Maybe I can do it like chopsticks where I can just... Oh, no. That's it. Oh. Here we go. Let me just carefully... Can I just do it with my hands? My hands are physical entities in this world. Oh shit! Oh, I cut off my legs. Get me out of here before I hurt myself. Ow! Ow! Owie! Oh, but I was fine the whole time. You fell for my trap. Better luck next time. It's a battlefield down there. Ow, my face! You flying turd! Feel the force, you son of a bitch! What? No, you don't get to do... You don't get to do that! Stop it! Stop it! Oh, God! Okay, this sucks. That was satisfying as hell. Wow, that was satisfying. I didn't know you could land on top of them. Oh my God, I could Goomba stomp. Not necessarily Goomba stomp, but I mean like, you land on them and you cut them up with your lightsaber, so kind of like a Goomba stomp, just with extra steps. Oh. Come on, then. Have at thee! Look at it. Look at what I have done. Aww. No, I bet. Now that I think about it. Oh! Oh, no, please. Please, no. I want to take it with me. Oh! Oh! Oh, man. Oh. Hot potato. I am stealing this. Hey. You're coming with me. Oh, no. You're coming with me. Don't. Hey, no. Stay with me, buddy. I'm getting you out of here. I'm gonna get you out of here. Don't worry. Buddy, you gotta... oh, shit. Now look what you made me do. Come on, we have to leave together. I can't leave you behind. No. Please, we've become like friends over the short span that we've known each other. Please. I want to... Oh, come on. I know I can do this. Man. My hands are too flimsy. No, I wish I had arms. Hey, I think this will... Buddy, I thought I had you for a second, but... there's like no way to actually physically grab this guy. Oh, buddy. Buddy, I got you. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry it has to be this way. It's better like that. Rather than leave him to suffer. And I don't know you. I don't have any emotional attachment to you. I didn't really know the other guy either. I just acted like a psychopath. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, for the love of... Oh, for the love of good golly goshness. Oh, that wasn't even fair. Ah! Got him in the face. Oh. Oh. Oh, how does that work? How does this work, I wonder? I'm the legend. And look, just watch. I'm gonna get an S tier. Watch this. Definite S tier. Fuck off, game. Fuck off. I'm getting S tier. I gotta end on an S tier. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How did I survive without getting hit once? Alright, alright. I'm gonna show you how to get S tier, okay? Watch this. Speed run. Oh. Those are my Sith Lord noises. Ow! Bastards! That could have ruined it. Oh. Oh, what did you see? Oh, what did you see? S tier. No. Again. Not much of a security system when you really think about it, huh? Ow! You... Oh, damn! Oh, no! Oh, why? Oh, mother of God, what happened? What was it? Oh, no. Okay. Well, the good news is it's not the light. The bad news is I gotta take off the headset now and look at what I have done. Okay. So I broke the ceiling fan. Like, I didn't break the ceiling fan. No, let me try that again. It was the light cover on the ceiling fan. When I went to do this, whatever it was, I smashed it. Trying to reach that bugger. That was... if you're gonna play this game, get a bigger space than what I have right now. That's all I'm gonna say. Shit. Had to pick up all the glass off the ground before I could resume. And, look, I guess we cleared it. And, oh boy, I got S tier. Great, awesome. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I guess, any final words that I want to say before I leave? Oh yeah, this game is great. Get it. If you have a VR headset. Yeah, definitely play it. Just keep in mind, this is made by one person, and they're, doing the best they can to get this game to a functional state, and I applaud them. I applaud them in their efforts. But, I've been Crazy Wolf. You've been awesome. I'll see you in the next video. I'm getting the hell out of here. I gotta do some stuff now. Shit. How much damage is that? I messed it up pretty bad. You know, VR is fun, but it's always good to come back to the real world to deal with responsibilities. Should be easy, no sweat. We just gotta look up Home Depot in the phone book, and then who the hell are you?
So, at last, I have found you. You may be wondering who I am, but I know exactly who you are. You are the one who murdered my apprentice. Murdered him in unfair combat. Well, you may have thought that you could escape the wrath of the Sith by going to the farthest edges of the galaxy. But you are sorely mistaken. What the fuck? Why would you?
Yeah, your monologue was way too long, dude. Look, when I met your apprentice, he got straight to the point. He was like, oh hey, a worthy challenger, fight me, bitch. Pretty straightforward, didn't need no flash or anything, but then you, who's supposed to be the next step up in the challenge, you're just reciting Shakespeare in my hallway. Look, I just got out of a VR game, and I just busted my ceiling fan. I gotta call Home Depot. I'm not having a good day today. So please see yourself out the airlock. We can do a rain check if you want.
A rain check?
Yeah, literally, anytime is... How's Thursday? Thursday good for you?
Thursday's probably fine. Do you have a med bay I could use?
Yes, but you can't use it. Sorry, bud.
Okay, I'll get in touch later then.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, Home Depot.